Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Twilio Studio for no-code conversation flows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Twilio website by typing www.twilio.com in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address in the designated fields. Choose a strong password that meets Twilio's requirements. After filling out the form, click the Get Started button. Twilio will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and find the email from Twilio. Click on the verification link in the email to verify your account. After verification, you will be directed back to the Twilio website. You may be prompted to fill out additional information, such as your company name. Once all required fields are completed, click Continue. Next, you will be taken to the Twilio dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Twilio Studio option on the left sidebar. If prompted, complete any necessary configuration settings. Once in the Studio section, look for the Create a Flow button. Click on it to start building your first no-code conversation flow. You will have the option to select from various templates or start from scratch. Choose a template that suits your needs, or click on blank flow to create your own. After selecting, give your flow a unique name. Now, you can drag and drop various widgets to build your conversation flow. Customize each widget based on your specific requirements. Connect the widgets to create interactions between them. Once your flow is complete, click the Save button in the top right corner. When ready, click on Publish to make your conversation flow live. You now have successfully registered for Twilio Studio and created your first no-code conversation flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.